Turning the Send Read Receipts in Messages feature on your iPhone 16 allows you to control whether others are notified when you've read their messages, giving you more privacy and flexibility in your communications. Here's how it's done. To begin, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Messages from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Messages app settings, scroll down to find Send Read Receipts. Finally, toggle the switch next to Send Read Receipts to turn it on or off. When enabled, people will be notified when you've read their messages. This applies to all conversations by default. When disabled, people won't know if you've read their messages. This iPhone feature gives you control over your messaging privacy. When enabled, it can help maintain clear communication by letting others know you've seen their messages. However, disabling it can provide you with more flexibility when you choose to respond without the pressure of others knowing you've read their messages. Note that you can also customize this setting for individual conversations within the Messages app if you want different settings for different contacts. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.